Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I am back with the Multiplex ParkMaster PRO. It is a crazy windy day and I've been trying to fly my Cessna 182 Plus that I like, but in this wind it was very difficult to control. The landings were not good. I did I think 3 or 4 flights every time I bent the front landing gear. And my friend Faik here said, hey, why don't you fly the Multiplex ParkMaster PRO? And I said, this is very lightweight airplane. I don't think it will fly in this wind. He said, no, on the contrary, these don't have much body. It's like the whole fuselage acts like a fin. It keeps it very stable in the wind. And also the wing is symmetric, so it doesn't cause those sudden right left wingtip going up. So, and I tried and it was good and it gave me confidence. I think this is my 6th flight on this airplane ever, and I've been flying over this patch of grass because it feels a little better landing over there because it has foam wheels, and if I crash it, at least it won't be this concrete. So the wind is quite bad, and then from time to time it's bursting up. And I'm going to start 30% rate. I have 30, 70 and 100 with this switch. All the way towards me is, I'm sorry, 40%, not 30, and still quite a bit of deflection, and this should be okay. All right. As you can see, the wind kind of caught it when it was taking off, but I was able to correct it with the rudder. And I'm going to set it to 70% now. I mean, it flies great, and then it gives me confidence. And it's going to take a while to come over here because it's flying against the wind. And look at that. And this doesn't have stability control or anything. And it's almost like hovering over there. I hope you can hear me because I don't have a lavalier microphone, which I need. I should have brought it probably. One, because you may be hearing the wind. I hope the audio is not too bad and you can understand what I'm saying. I apologize about that. And let me show you the 100% throws on this one. Let me gain a little bit of altitude. Very nice. I don't think I can do a hairier, but let's try it anyway. It's a little too windy for that, and I'm not skilled enough to do that. It's back to 70% throttle. Really fun airplane, and you know, this is going to be become my high wind airplane, just to play around, because it has so much control, and then I let go of the sticks and then it is stable. I mean, it just doesn't care about which direction the wind is coming from. And you can slow it down if you have to against the wind. It is a beautiful airplane for $40. I still cannot believe I keep saying that. I bought this for $40 from a swap meet in Hadley, Mass. If you haven't watched the previous videos, What an amazing deal. And it even came with a battery, 3 cell 3S 1100 milliamp hour battery. Oh, here we go. I have a friend. Faik is flying his beast, a little Horizon Hobby beast. Amazing that little thing can fly in this kind of wind, but the Horizon Hobby products, they're high quality and their stability control is the best ones, I think, on the market. I mean, look how stable that one is. Anyway, so yeah, I got this basically with a Spektrum receiver, everything, the battery. I just needed my TX16S and I'm flying it for $40. And I had a couple 1300 milliamp hour 3S batteries. That's right now it's flying with one of those. So now I have 3 batteries for it. Oh, look at that. The little beast. Alright, I just wanted to share this with you because if you're afraid of wind, get a 3D airplane and fly it in the wind. It will definitely give you some confidence. It is the beast. I think the trickiest part is the landing. And I'm going to come in for a landing now. I'm going to try to miss those posts that you see on my runway. And I need to just come against the wind, and then actually I'm going to decrease the throws. Okay, that was a good landing, I think. And yes, so if you haven't tried, and I didn't try for the longest time, try one of these, you know, with very narrow fuselage and all that, and it is so amazing. Get into 3D, start with the I don't know, real flight simulator if you're afraid, but even Horizon Hobby has these little ones that's stabilized, gyroscopic stabilized, so you can start with those. But I didn't know, so I learned something new today. I wanted to share. These are great in high winds. These are perfect, although they are so lightweight. They are perfect for for high winds like this one today. Anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Keep the props and wheels rolling, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.